Good evening, Mac Blogs here, aka Ian. Look at this for a view behind me. I am at, well, I've just arrived, to be fair. I've just had a crazy travel day. Have a look at that travel vlog. That'll cheer you up. A lot of not fun moments for me, but yeah, it was one of those days. But this week I am staying at Universal's Endless Summer Resort, part of the Universal Orlando Resort, and it's the dockside and suite side of the resort. You do get the surf side as well, so but I'm staying here. So I will give all the details in regards to the type of room I'm staying in, either in the video or in the description box. However, let's have a look around the room, see what it has to offer, and hopefully it gives you some useful information that you need to know if you're looking to book here or stay here. So obviously I haven't stayed here yet, this is I've just arrived. Usually I try and do videos or full in-depth videos near the end of my stay, just because of what I've got planned in these next kind of six days, seven nights, yeah. Then I don't know how it's going to work out, so I'd rather do that video just now and show you what there is to offer. So let's, first and foremost, you've seen part of the view already, let's have a look. Here you have, so put that in to get the power to your room. This is the information you'll know. Me, if you watched my videos before, just make sure you know where your fire escapes are in case of an emergency. And as soon as you walk in, nice big open space out in this room. Got a mirror here with these coat hooks, or hooks to hang anything on. And there's the overview of the room. So I've dumped my bags and some cables, etc. Pardon me. Some nice, obviously it's themed in regards to summer and dockside, surfing and beach themed. And to be fair, it's got that theme on tee. Love these big windows. Obviously you need to go kind of deluxe if you're looking at kind of deluxe level resort, hotel, if you want a balcony, like a step out balcony. But you can't go wrong with that. That view, lovely view. Let's the sun through the window, and you can just see the buses there as well. So I will be doing a full resort tour video as well, but this is just going to be for the room that I'm staying in. So 2 queen size beds. I might just stay in a different one each night, see how I feel. I might sleep in sand one day, and I might sleep in sail one night. I like these lights, see this here? Look at lights here. Oh, the detail. Brilliant. Let's go one on each side, above each bed. Here you've got, I don't think this opens, I think this is just, no, it doesn't open. Obviously the remote for the TV. So a chest there, little shelf, USB point. Is that a USB point? Yeah, sure it is. Other sockets there as well. A nice beachy chair feel onto it here. Also nice light. a lot going on here. So nice big long table, obviously bin, a pull out chair here. Like a box seat. Slide in and out. These drawers, you just soft closing, well, kind of. Yep. In here is a fridge, a little mini fridge. So I've put some water in there myself, but it's not huge, it's not massive. But it does the job for some drinks and some snacks. Got some plastic cups here. Whatever that is. Like that there. Catch the wave. It's nice that. It's kind of like a... don't know what it is. It's like an actual frame. I don't know. What would you call that? It's not a picture because it doesn't look like it's like proper like painted on. It's not a print. Anyway, coffee machine. All the condiments here. Yeah. Some sockets down there. Is there any other more sockets? Apart from, totally missed these. This shows you how tired I am with my travel day. So USB point, sockets there, socket, USB points, socket. So yeah, there is plenty. Nothing there. I would say there's more than enough. So, just as you walk in, I've got this kind of, again, beachy feeling to it. I get why they've done this rather than just an open door. What is that noise? That toilet has just went on itself. It's filling up. Is that normal? Right, anyway. I'll try and ignore that. Stop now. So, in here, hangers, plenty of hangers. Got an iron board and an iron. Not a lot of hotels have that. Some deluxe hotels don't even have that as far as I know. Or do they? Maybe. Test my memory now. Got a safe here. Again, it's not deep, but put a laptop or other things, passports, etc. in there. You get a thermostat there as well to control your air conditioning. Then as soon as you come in to the kind of wet room area, so there's no door. Yeah, this is open plan. You've got nice big shower, big walk-in shower, no bath in this room. That's a huge shower, to be fair. You've got, I nearly said condiments. You've got a renewing shampoo. Maybe that's what I need. Does that grow here? Conditioner. And then you've got a bath bar, but no bath. So yeah, shower. What's that side? So what is going on? That's constant. So turn the shower on there. Shower head is that side. You've got this as well, so they've got this cord that's hanging up. So you can hang up, pull that across there and put that into that little hook that hooks in there. And if it starts to sag in the middle, you just tighten that bit there, and that'll tighten the cord up so it doesn't sag. Toilet, I'm not going to say any more, not talking to you because you'll start talking back. Separate sink outside here, so nice big mirror, lights on it, towels. That's my sun cream because I'm Scottish and I'll burn very easily. Lots of towels, hair dryer, And some tissues, some gentle face soap there as well. So yeah, I mean, to be fair, some people have said to me that these rooms are basic. I wouldn't use those words. I don't think they're basic. I think they've got everything you need, even a free pen. I'll be taking that to add to my collection. You're going with the others? Well, the other. I think I've lost other ones from my previous day, so what is going on with that toilet? Can you hear that? So there's a TV as well, nice big TV. And a spotlight up there. But I like that. I like the are they paintings or are they prints? I see, there's some, they're like, some don't like plywood, some like ply. It feels like it's painted on, but it might be printed onto ply. It just obviously it's wood. It's really nice, I like it. Even the headboard looks like sand, a beach feel to it. I already sat on the bed and it feels amazing. It's really comfy. But yeah, I don't really know what else to show. I think that's it. I think it's the grand tour here at Dockside Inn and Suites in Universal Orlando. So, 2 hours to I. What? Hey. That's it. So I'm going to relax because I've had a really amazing day. Sarcastically said. Wasn't too bad, to be honest. I mean, Virgin Atlantic, the flight, that was a great flight. There was hardly any kind of turbulence and everything else. It was really nice weather. The crew are always amazing on Virgin Atlantic. They always help you or assist you or go I know that that's their job in a sense, but I mean they go the little extra mile. Doesn't matter what class you're in and everything else. So yeah, that's my experience today and previously with Virgin Atlantic. But anyway, that's been a tour of the Dockside around Suites here at Endless Summer Resorts at Universal Orlando Resort. I'm going to get some food. So if you want to subscribe and follow my journey for another series here at Universal Studios where I go and have some fun basically. So feel free to subscribe, follow along. Don't just watch my videos and not subscribe, come on. I'm only joking, there's no pressure to do that at all. But it does help support the channel and grow the channel and get the information out there. It keeps me motivated as well. But anyway, let me know in the comments below if you've stayed here before, have you stayed at the other Surfside. Yeah, just give me some information, give me some feedback, and until next time, I'll see you then. Bye bye.